Hello, friends, and welcome to 10-Minute English Stories. If you are learning English, this is the perfect channel for you. We share short, simple, and inspiring stories in easy English. Stories that help you learn new words, improve listening, and teach important life lessons. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Today's story is called The Lesson of Patience. Have you ever wanted something so much that you tried to make it happen very fast? Have you ever felt sad and wanted to give up when things took too long? This story is about a young man who learned that sometimes waiting and working patiently is the real secret to success. Listen carefully. In a small, peaceful town called Oakville, there lived a young man named Jake. Oakville was a lovely place with green hills, a clear river, and friendly people who knew everyone. Jake was 22 years old. He had short brown hair, kind brown eyes, and a big smile. But inside, Jake often felt worried. Jake lived in a small yellow house with his mother, Anna. His father had passed away 3 years ago. Jake's father was a patient man who worked as a teacher. He always told Jake, "Good things take time, son." Jake missed his father very much. Now he wanted to help his mother. He wanted to make money so they could have a better life, maybe repair the house or take a small vacation. Jake loved baking. From when he was a little boy, he helped his mother in the kitchen. He made the best chocolate chip cookies and soft, fresh bread. On weekends, he made special cakes for neighbors. Everyone in Oakville loved Jake's baking. "You should open your own bakery one day," they said. Jake dreamed about it every night. He imagined a warm bakery with the smell of fresh bread and happy customers. But Jake had one big problem. He was very impatient. He did not like to wait for anything. He wanted his dreams to come true right now. "I do not want to wait years," he thought. "I can do this fast." One sunny morning, Jake made a big decision. He took all the money he saved from his job at the local store. He borrowed some more from his uncle. He rented a small empty shop on the main street. He bought an oven, tables, and other things. In 1 week, Jake's bakery was open. Jake was so excited. On the first day, many people came to see the new shop. They brought bread and cookies. Jake felt very happy. "See, Mom? Success came fast," he said. But the happy feeling did not last long. In the following weeks, fewer customers came. Some people said the bread was a little hard. Other times, the cakes did not taste sweet enough. Jake worked from 6 in the morning until 9 at night. He felt tired and angry. "Why is this not working?" he asked. In his impatience, he tried to change everything quickly. He made new recipes without testing them well. He changed the prices. He even changed the colors of the walls. Nothing helped much. Some days he sold almost nothing. The bakery was losing money. Jake started to feel very sad. One evening, after closing the shop, he sat on the steps outside. His head was down, tears were in his eyes. An old woman walked slowly past the bakery. It was Mrs. Rose. She was 75 years old, with white hair and a kind face. Mrs. Rose knew Jake's family for a long time. She stopped and asked gently, "What is the matter, Jake? You look so unhappy." Jake told her all his problems. "I worked so hard, Mrs. Rose, but my dream is failing. Maybe I should close the bakery." Mrs. Rose smiled warmly. "Do not give up so fast, dear. Come to my house tomorrow morning. I want to show you my garden." The next morning, Jake went to Mrs. Rose's house at the edge of town. Her garden was beautiful. There were red roses, yellow sunflowers, green vegetables, and many tall apple trees. Birds sang happily. The air smelled sweet with flowers. "How did you make such a wonderful garden?" Jake asked in surprise. "I planted seeds many, many years ago," Mrs. Rose replied. "Every day I watered them, removed bad weeds, and gave them care. But the most important thing was patience. Plants don't grow in one day. Good things need time." Then Mrs. Rose gave Jake a small brown seed. "This is a special apple seed. Take it home, plant it carefully in your backyard. Water it every single day. Watch it, but do not expect a tree tomorrow. The important work happens first under the soil, where you cannot see." Jake took the seed home. He dug a small hole in the soft earth behind his house. He planted it and watered it with clean water. For many days, nothing happened. No green leaf came out of the ground. Jake checked the soil every morning. After 1 week, he started to lose patience. "This seed is not growing," he thought. "It's a waste of time." He forgot to water it for 3 days. Mrs. Rose came to visit one afternoon. She saw the dry soil. "Oh, Jake," she said softly, "patience means continuing even when you see no results yet. The seed is growing roots deep down. It is getting strong. If you stop now, it will die. Trust the process." Jake felt bad. He apologized and started watering the seed again every day. He also thought about his bakery. Maybe he needed patience there too. From that day, Jake tried to change. He stopped changing recipes every day. Instead, he practiced making one perfect loaf of bread for many weeks. He talked nicely to every customer and asked what they liked. He made the bakery clean and warm with flowers on the tables. His mother helped him sometimes. "I am proud of you, Jake," she said. "Your father would be proud too." Slowly, very slowly, things got better. A small green shoot finally came out from the seed. Jake jumped with joy. He showed it to Mrs. Rose. She was happy. "You see, with patience, life grows beautiful things." But life tested Jake again. One night, a strong storm came to Oakville. Rain fell heavily. Wind blew hard. Water came under the door of the bakery and damaged some equipment. The young apple plant in the backyard almost fell. Jake was scared. For a moment, he wanted to shout and quit everything. "This is too much," he thought. But he remembered Mrs. Rose's words. He worked patiently through the night and next day. He cleaned the water. He fixed what he could. He put sticks around the small apple plant to protect it from the wind. He did not rush. He did one thing at a time. After the storm, the sun came out again. The apple plant stood strong and grew faster. More customers returned to Jake's bakery. They liked the fresh, careful baking and Jake's friendly smile. Word spread around town. People came from other streets to buy his bread. Months turned into years. The little plant became a strong young apple tree with green leaves. Jake continued to work with patience in his bakery. He learned new skills slowly from books and by trying. He saved money carefully. He built good friendships with customers. 2 years after he planted the seed, the apple tree produced its first small apples. They were sweet and red. Jake used them to make a special apple pie. He sold it in the bakery. It became the most popular item. People came from nearby towns to taste it. Jake's bakery was now successful. Not the richest, but it gave Jake and his mother a comfortable life. He could repair their house. He felt calm and happy inside. He no longer rushed for everything. One day, Jake sat under the apple tree with his mother. He looked at the strong tree and the full bakery. He understood the lesson completely. If he had stopped watering the seed when he saw no results, there would be no tree today. The same was true for his dream. Patience helped him build strong roots for his success. Now Jake shares this lesson with others. Young people in Oakville come to him and ask for advice. He always says, "Be patient. Work hard every day with love. Do not give up when you cannot see quick results. The best things in life need time to grow." And so, Jake lived a happy and meaningful life. Dear friends, the life lesson from this story is clear. Patience is a superpower. Good things take time. When you work hard and wait with hope, you build something strong and lasting. Do not dig up your dreams too early. Keep caring for them every day. Success and happiness will come to you. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends who are learning English, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments below, what is one thing you are waiting for patiently in your life? Or share a time when patience helped you. I read every comment. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning English and keep growing with patience. See you in the next 10-minute English story. Goodbye.